that's internalized. Once again, as a modern Rizaleño and potential ambassador of your province, how would you uphold integrity, embody genuine service, and leave a lasting legacy in a society where these values are often compromised?
I can embody these qualities by being honest. And I believe honesty is the foundation of true excellence. Because through honesty, we build trust, we foster genuine connections, and we embrace transparency. And through honesty, we can become an inspiration to the lives of other people. Totoo nga ang sabihan na, honesty is the best policy. Sapagkat sa pagiging tapat, ang tunay na tagumpay ay nagsisimula. Maraming salamat po.